All right, guys, so we did a video earlier in the year on this one. 2013 Toyota Tundra 5.7 V8. He brought it back. He didn't like the sound anymore. He wanted to change it up. And we said, we got you. So this is what we did. Factory converters there, 4 of them. Then he brought his own X-pipe, nice and shiny chrome X-pipe. We put it in and ran 2.5 straight pipe, true dual, all the way to the back into two 4-inch rolled black tips. As you guys can see right there. Came out absolutely magnificent. I like it. Magnificent is the word of the day. Comment magnificent if you see that word. Anyways, this is what it had on it, and it's just rotted out. And we just wanted something different, so we gave him what he wants. So there'll be a link in the description for the X-pipe and the rolled 4-inch tips. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Toyota Tundra 2017 Desert Edition 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it? 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it's true dual straight pipe all the way back on each side into quad tips. Angle cut right there, 3.5 inch on each side. And right there. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. Much better. That sounds really clean. That's perfect. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 107. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that's, you know, everybody's going with that new look. This one, like either in front of the tire or behind, the double on one side. Nobody wants it like out each side. It's weird. Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra? Oh, you like it better? Okay. I like that. It sounds really good. Straight pipe, true dual. Here's sound decibels. Wow, 117. Let you guys hear it on the other side too. Why not? Again. That sounds phenomenal. Go ahead and back it up. Perfect? Yeah. Okay. Desert Runner, that's what I call them. Carbon fiber fenders, gas cap. Just cool look. I like it. That's perfect. Man, that sounds so good. Toyota Tundra. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra TRD. Fully straight pipe, true dual. Hope you guys like it. With quad tips out the back.